What's up?
Right, hello everyone. So today we're going to be opening the box for Epson Expression Home XP-4105. So let's see what's inside. Just got it delivered today through Amazon, and it looks good from the outside. Let's see what we got inside.
I do inside. Manu.
Okay, so first thing we got here is two cartridges, yellow and blue.
Diamond is
It should be two more, because this is a
Diamond.
colored printer. So here we can see there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 cartridges we got. This is the power cord. Let's just pull it out. Alright, take it out of the wrapper. There we go. So as you can see, it's very good size, good shape, and hopefully works good. So along with the printer, you got the CD, which you might not need it because you can install the software online. So just in case, if you wanna download the software in your laptop, you might need a CD. That's what we got in the box. So now, as you can see, I've removed the tapes and I've connected the power cord into the socket, and this is I'm gonna connect behind the printer right here. Okay, once this plugged in, now
It is on the top.
I'm ready to install the ink cartridges. So one by one. So I just turned it on, just press the power button, and that let's see, it's just asking me to select which language I want to go to. So I guess we're gonna select English, so press OK. And as you can see, the ink cartridge, that's the place where it goes to, and it slightly moves in the middle. So once this is in the middle, we can start installing the cartridges. So this is what we got on the screen. Install the ink cartridges for setup, that came with the printer. So now we are ready to install these 4 cartridges, including the black one. So I'm gonna take this off. So as you can see, I already unpacked the ink cartridges. Now I'm ready to install these cartridges. So there is a paper inside the what you call it, the ink box. So we gotta take this out of the, so just to protect the printer head. So we just take this off, this one, and then we can just look at which color goes where. So first we start with the black one. So this one goes, so I guess Right. So you would hear the clicking sound. So once you hear that, that means it's well settled. Second one is yellow. That's it. And the last one is young. Right. Now we successfully installed all of the ink cartridges and we are ready to close the lid. And then guess we just press OK that we successfully installed cartridges and it's processing now. So the message on the screen you can see you have to wait until this process finishes. Might take up to 6 minutes, so we can just wait while I connect the laptop with the printer and I'll be back. So it's asking for the print head check. In order to do that, we've got to install papers inside the printer that go to the back. So we just open this one, this guy here. We are ready to put this paper inside like that and close this lid. Now we are ready to test our first page. So let's see. So we are in the selection of letter. So press OK. Okay. Okay, let's get the test paper. There we go. So now it's gonna adjust the print head, and so this is what we got. So it looks like all doing good. Check the print head and select. So we have to match these lines according to what it comes up on the printer. So if it looks good, then you just hit this circle. So press OK. This okay, it's asking for a line print position to fix misalignment and banding. So hit OK again. Print. Let's see. Taking a bit of extra time because it's just checking the alignment of the printer head, and it's the color paper too, so that's why it just takes a bit extra. So as you can see, now we successfully tested our printer and it's now ready to start. So now next thing we can do is just to set up the Wi-Fi. So we go in the setting. You can see, I think, clearly on the screen. Here we go. So we go in the setting and then we go down into the network setting and then Wi-Fi setup. Recommended Wi-Fi, start setup. Okay, it's asking for the push button setup on WPS. So I'm gonna pause the video while I do the WPS. I'll be back. So as you can see, we already picked up the Wi-Fi username and password, so already connected to the Wi-Fi. You can see on the screen for signal strength excellent, so everything's set up now. So now I can connect this printer to my laptop. So let's see, we open up printer and scanner and refresh, and my printer will come up underneath. So we gotta click on that and then add device. So here we go, it's ready. So the printer is successfully connected without a wire. So if you're connecting your USB wire, then you don't need to go through that Wi-Fi process. You can directly connect that wire from your printer to your laptop, and then you can do the same, add printer, and now we connected our printer to the system through Wi-Fi, so we don't have to attach any cable. So here I open up a test document, so I'm gonna send it to printer and let's see if that prints. So you go into file, print, and then print.